back to Kids Fun Learn Club, and we are doing the 6 minutes 20 days drawing challenge, and we're on episode number 68.
Yes, you're right.
And we are drawing Kakuna Pokemon.
Pokemon! It's gonna be an interesting drawing this time. Do you know what is going to make this drawing interesting?
What?
The different kind of a design.
Yeah.
And if you stay with us till the end of the video and hit on the like button, the subscribe button, and add a comment below, you can win some exciting
Goodie.
from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. Exciting surprises from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club. Let's get started. We need a black sketch pen. We are using a Sharpie, a white paper, and some colors. That's all what we would be needing for today. What are you doing? Come on, let's get started. Let's start, Beta.
Yep. What are we doing? Can I see? This is a difficult drawing actually. This and this and this and this
Easy until now?
and this and this and this. Can I see it's a little that type? Wait.
Okay. Good till here?
Yep.
The eyes.
Weird eyes.
Yes. Okay. What we do next?
What? Wait. Next one here. And this. And this. Right.
Very good. The next would be
This is like an ant crawler. Okay. Wait. I'm confused.
why are you confused? Give me. So you made this, and you made this, and you made this. What would be next? It looks weird, isn't it? Looks very weird. But anyways, let's quickly color.
Oh, this is very easy color.
Yeah. Very, very, very easy coloring. Simply take the yellow color and color the entire thing. That's all that we need to do in this drawing.
I'll just like this.
How do we make it a little dark? Make a guess. How can we do that? What if we use this color? No, it won't help.
I know the color.
Yeah, we can use this color.
Yeah, we'll use that color. I know.
We don't have one more this color?
Mm-mm.
Why? We should be having.
No, but we don't.
By the time Parikshit finishes his drawing, if you have been following us, if you have been doing the drawing that we are doing, then make sure that you share your drawings with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Online Club and hashtag Kids Online Club to win some amazing surprises from Parikshit and Kids Online Club once again. And I hope you have already hit the like button, the subscribe button, and added a comment below of what you want us to draw next, so that we get to know what you want us to draw, and we do that particular drawing. Show it, Parikshit. Wow, we are done with this amazing drawing of Kakuna from the Pokemon.
Yeah. And it's,
See you in the episode number 68. Sorry, this was episode number 68, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we will go to episode number 69 tomorrow. Bye-bye.